What do you get? 12.5. $10,000, 12.5. $10,000, 12.5. $10,000, 11. $10,000, $11,000. $11, 12. $12,000, 12. $13,000, 13. $13,000, 13. $14,000, $15,000. 15 to the base, 15. $14,000, $15,000. 14 to the base, 15 to the base, 15. 15,000. 14 to the base, 15. $15,000. 15 to the base, 15. $15,000. 14 to the base, 15. $15,000. 16. $16,000. 15.5, 16 bid, 16,000, 16.5, 16.5, 17, $17,000, $17 bid, 16.5, 17, $17,000, 16.5 bid, now 17, 17, 16, $17,000, $16,5, 17, 17. Hey, the work's all done, the whole package is put together, it's a handy little outfit. 16.5, 17 is ready to go. 16.5 to get $17,000. All done with another 17 to the base, 17, 17, 16, 5, 17. Danny will try it again, $17,000, 16, 5. Danny's got the man, everybody else is out. 16, 5, 17. 17,000. Brent's anybody over here? 16, 5, 17,000. 17 to the 17 to the base, 17, 17. $17,000. Quarter tractor, 16, 5. 306 is the buyer.